Can you still hear me? Right, that's class. Should we give that a go? I love this. How far away can we get? Does it pick this up? Okay, so last week on Agency Uncut, I gave you the office tour. This week, I'm going to introduce you to the team.
Hi, my name's Brodie Prendergast. Hey, my name's Brodie and I'm a media buyer specialising in Facebook. So I run Facebook ads for our clients. So sometimes I hop on calls with them to discuss the performance of the ads. I also do weekly Loom updates to our clients. So I'll monitor and optimise the ads daily to ensure that they are performing, and if they're not, turn that bad boy off. If I was to describe myself in 3 words, it would be confident, a social person, and a team player.
Hey, how's things? Great to meet you. Would you like me to introduce myself? Of course you would. My name's Cameron, I'm a sales representative. So I look at acquiring new business for the agency itself. I also manage existing agency owners, so manage relationships with them, handle the onboarding process with them, and that kind of thing. If I were to describe myself in 3 words, I would say kind, in terms of looking after the team, making sure relationships are being handled well with their agency owners, and agency owners aren't getting on top of them too much, all the clients, so I look to manage that for them. Helpful, if there's any other work I can take on for anybody else, take it off their plate, then I'm always happy to step in and do that, and I'm organised. As you can see here, I like to give myself a nice big list to work through on a daily basis. There's nothing better than ticking something off, is there? Oh yeah, personality traits. I did a test the other day, by the way. Born entertainer. I know you wouldn't have guessed it. I love a laugh. But also, fun little facts about myself. I make a banging hot chocolate. I would say cafe style. Costa, come at me. The key is make a paste. So you want to make sure you've got some in-day milk first of all. 25th of October, perfect. Now bear in mind, small mug, we've got a surprise bit of syrup in there for him. 1, 2, just because of the size of the mug. Little splash of milk, not too much, especially because it's out of date. Make a paste. Then you want to get the consistency like that. Almost like a cake base. This is the critical point now. You have to stir pretty quick and pour water at the same time. And then you end up with coffee shop hot chocolate.
I think we need the verdict.
We start.
Hey guys, my name's Connor and I'm a junior media buyer for the team here. So my role as a junior media buyer, at the moment I've been doing some account setup, as you can see, blank screens behind me. So I've been doing some setups, writing a ton of copy, and I'm currently trained up to have some of my own clients. If I was to describe myself in 3 words, I probably wouldn't, because I'm arrogant. If you were to ask everyone around me, if you were to ask the bosses, honest, polite, I think you'd get. My colleagues, funny, caring. My boyfriend, perfect in every way. Boyfriend, we're inclusive here. LGBTQ+. So yeah, that's me. Stay tuned, thank you.
Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome to my office. As you can see, Bradley Riley here. Silo 3 is all mine. Only joking, the name's made beer. I'll drink out the boss's mug because, you know, the boss. A little bit about me, I'll tell you. I'm an executive media buyer. That's right, executive. You may be looking at myself and thinking, he can't be an executive, he's 12. You're incorrect, I'm 19, been here for over 2 years now. So what does an executive media buyer entail, you say? It's really a normal media buyer plus the additional responsibilities. I take care of training when new hires come in, help the team constantly, daily. Bit of a chore, you might think. No, not to me. What else does an executive media buyer do? You were saying, oh, that's just my new earring as well. Bit trendy, as you can see. Outfit check. Yeah, so my job, I look after the paid social side. So I'm the executive of the paid social, which is mainly Facebook. We also do TikTok, and we're also looking to introduce new services as well. So keep your eye out for that one. So really, if people have problems with anything or they need extra help, they come to me. I also have a handful of clients that I look after, take calls with, do reports for, comms every day. I also deal with agency owners. You may have already heard my other colleague, Cayman Dredge, talking about handling agency owners, but I'm gonna throw a little shade on that brother of mine and say I handle the agency owners, and he comes in when I tell him to come in. Because as I mentioned before, I am the executive. Next question, please. How would I describe myself in 3 words? Great question, Jake. Jake's the cameraman, by the way. You'll meet him in a second. Kurt, don't do that. Okay. First one, I'm gonna put at the top here. You might have already got a glimpse of it, but I'd sound quite strange, weird, peculiar. I stand out. Next word, hang on, so we got peculiar is 1 word. Next word, Jake, edit here. I'm gonna say helpful. As I mentioned before, job entails a lot of helping out. Well, not only new people as well, but people who've progressed in the business that are looking to get a bit more advanced training. So I'm hoping that's going to be here now. Yeah, so last one down here. Unpredictable. That's right, unpredictable. My personality test I did 2 years ago when I started at the company. You couldn't have guessed it. Introverted as they come. I believe something like 90% in the shell. Now look at me now, thriving. Got my own silo, as you can see. Just been filming a podcast on the big screen as well. You'll see me there, guys. Green screen something in there, please. So I say quite unpredictable, but at the same time, contradicting. I would say I'm also very reliable. From a client's perspective, they know what they're getting with me. I'm very organised, reliable. And I know you only asked for 3, but I've just gave an extra 2 there for you because I'm an executive.
Okay, so I need to make a phone call. Actually, let's get Barley over as a question. Should we call Charlie and offer him the job? Should we tell Millie? Oh, here she comes. Just a quick one. We're just going to let you know that we're going to offer Charlie the job.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We thought we'd let you know.
We thought we'd let you know first. We're going to give him a ring and let him know the good news. But
Oh, that's good.
he seems really driven, motivated. So. Millie, the girl you've just seen, if you didn't guess already, Charlie is her brother and he applied to the job. Currently a uni student, wants to go headfirst into a career. Interviewed him yesterday, really positive. Yeah, gonna offer him the job. This is my wife, Barley, by the way. No, you haven't never actually met. We're business partners now. Husband and wife, recently married. Hi Charlie, how you doing, mate? This is Brad from your marketing partners. Good news on our end anyway, just want to let you know we're happy to offer you the position, happy to offer you the job. I think you interviewed really well. I feel like you'd fit right in, so all successful on your part. Cool man, well appreciate it, congratulations, enjoy yourself tonight. Look forward to starting on Monday. Take care Charlie, thanks mate. Here we go.
There you go.
Job offered, another one to the roster.
I'll let
Let the team know. Just a quick update for everybody. We've officially offered Charlie the position, so we've got another media buyer joining the team from Monday. So starting immediately, which is really positive. So we'll have 3 more trained up hopefully over the next couple of months. So exciting times.
Hi, I'm Millie, I'm a junior media buyer. So I help Connor with the account setup, doing all the copywriting and then running all the campaigns for Facebook. I would best describe myself in 3 words as funny, kind and determined. Hungry, yeah.
Maybe precise, creative as well. A little bit of a contradiction between the first one. I like to think I'm a kind person. Kindness matters.
Very kind.
Oh, you're too kind. Kai Dredge. I'm an executive media buyer of the paid search side of things. So a lot of the kind of like staying ahead of any kind of trends emerging on Google. So I also dip into the Facebook side of things to help out where I can as well.
Cher Birch. I work in sales here. So I speak to potential clients and tell them about the services we offer and yeah, what we can do for their company hopefully. I enjoy it a lot.
How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
Caring, honest and ditzy.
Okay, well that was one of the calls I had to make. Second call for the Christmas party. Actually, let me just show you guys. So basically what we've decided to do this year is we've decided to do this, which is basically a take on The Greatest Showman, and it's like a sort of an event dinner. I'll show you a quick clip, look. There we are, look. You all get these tables, drinks, food, all that stuff, and I think they do like a Greatest Showman play, like sort of circus act. I basically just need to make a quick phone call because basically we've got 12 of us confirmed at the minute going to the Christmas party and there's table sizes of 10. So I need to make a phone call to essentially just ask them to split it into 2 tables of 6. So if anybody wants to come and join your marketing partners with their Christmas party, 17th of December, East Side Rooms, see you there.
Welcome to the East Side Room.
She's gonna be sick of me, I've spoken to her 3 times today. Hi there. What if you're able to help me out?
If you could call up to some time, I can transfer the call to the concerned person.
We're rolling. So my government name's Jake, but in the office I tend to go by Spielberg, Scorsese, Tarantino. So I'm the sort of creative maestro of the business. So I get to graphics, filming, editing. Yeah, I suppose I'm my own sort of creative boss, in a way. I can come into work one day and go, I really want to edit a video this way today. Let me ask the boss. Jake, can I edit a video this way today? Yes, you can, Jake. 3 words to describe me. First, we'll go likeable. Actually, no, scratch that. Lovable. Second, I'll probably go extremely talented. And third, I'm very humble.
Hi, I have a voice break. Hi, I'm Philippa Coriani, Philku for short, and I'm a content creator. I'm basically Jake's Robin to his Batman. I'll sometimes edit a couple videos, I'll help him do like a couple YouTube things. I take control of the TikTok account, Bradley J. Riley. If I were to describe myself in 3 words, it would probably be loud, just loud. I think that's how everyone would describe me. Ask my family to describe me, they'd probably say annoying. Ask my boyfriend to describe describe me, he'd probably say emotional.
Weird one though as well, Georgia just messaged me. One of our clients, they sell books on photography, but Facebook thinks it's special ad category for employment. If you run an agency and you've been active during Black Friday periods, let me know in the comments, because I actually feel like Facebook falsely disable ad accounts and disable ads all of the time around this period. I think just they get so busy they can't fulfill the amount of people actually buy media on the platform, but weird one. Right, let me make the call anyway. Hi, I hope you can help us out. We've just got a contract sent over. We're actually booking our Christmas party for the Greatest Christmas, I believe it's called, with you guys. Sure. Just a quick question. So we've currently got it booked for 12 of us. Now, obviously, I'm aware that round tables of 10. Is it possible for us to request that we actually can have it split into like a 6 and a 6 rather than like a 10 and a 2?
Really, yours would be on one table because our tables can accommodate up to 12 people on one table.
Oh, so it can actually be up to one table?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Well, okay, that's put my stress to bed. Then I'll get that all paid and everything across. And then just another quick question. Just looking through the drinks package stuff as well, I don't know if you can just give us a bit of clarity on this. So on this page we're looking at now, obviously it's like, for example, 115 for 4 bottles of wine, 10 beers. Is that all in, or is that like per person?
No, all in for that one package price.
On one of the other documents it said per person, and I did think that seemed a bit, yeah.
Carrying you out.
You might be doing that anyway, to be honest. I think some of the team are a bit eager. Perfect. All right, thank you very much. Anyway, that's everything on my end. You've got the giggles now.
Yeah, it's got the giggles.
4 bottles of wine, 10 beers per person. Now that I say it, it does sound ridiculous, doesn't it? I meant like cost per person, but I think she thinks I meant... I just realised I think she thinks I meant 4 bottles per
person and 10 beers per person.
I feel really weird just looking at the camera. My name's Scarlett. I work on the paid search side of things. So I run the Google ad and YouTube ads and Bing ads as well. I'd say I'm kind, I'm quite happy, and everyone always says I'm really innocent. So yeah, that's my 3 words.
Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. My name's Barley Riley and I'm one of the directors of the business. Married to Brad Riley.
Lucky girl.
Here's the ring. I'm a trained nurse, first aider at the ready. Any cuts, bruises, I'm your gal. Here we go for proof. I'll pop this. My role is mostly bossing Brad around. I would definitely wear the trousers in business. Just joking, my actual job role is to do outreach, to book appointments for the sales team. As well as doing outreach, I also help with the day-to-day things, interviews for potential media buyers or graphic designers or any of the jobs we have going. Check out Indeed. I do HR stuff, return to work. If I had to describe myself in 3 words, I would say caring, bougie, and positive.
Hi guys, my name's Georgia Jackson, known in the office as G.
Oh, sorry, Miss Jackson.
Are you for real? So then we'll swim around. So my job role, I am a media buyer and I work under the paid social branch. So I run Facebook ads for my client. Most of them are e-commerce, where basically we help sell their products by running advertisements on Facebook. My day-to-day roles include like copywriting for clients. I have client calls with marketing strategists. Basically, I help clients scale their businesses and achieve their goals. I would describe myself as happy, a little bit sassy, and I am a people person.
Okay, so now you've met the team. Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Let me know in the comments, what kind of content would you like to see? Would you like to see more content with the team? Do you want to meet more people? Do you want more sort of organic style stuff? Do you want to see behind the scenes on calls? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video but you didn't see the last one, click here, check out the office tour, and then click here to subscribe.